Hi, I will guide you to do a linear regression analysis. This analysis aims to see the causal relationship between two or more variables. The first step is to select one of the data forms to be used in the data import menu. For example, here I used to upload data with an iris CSV file. You can get this iris CSV data by clicking Download Iris CSV. If you want to use other data, please select the CSV file by clicking Browse. After selecting the data to be analyzed, the next step, click the regression menu, then select the linear submenu. Then a display like this will appear. Select a quantitative variable in the Select Dependent Variable section. Then, select at least one variable in the Select Independent Variable section. If you only choose one variable in the Select Independent Variable section, this analysis is called Simple Linear Regression Analysis. And if you choose more than one variable, then this analysis is called Multiple Linear Regression Analysis. In the Select Independent Variable section, you can choose quantitative or qualitative variables. For example, I will show you multiple linear regression analysis. The variable used are sepal length variable on select dependent variable and sepal width, petal width, and petal length on the select independent variable. The data on the selected variables can be viewed by clicking Show Data. Then, it will appear like this. Please close, then click Run. Wait until the data is successfully processed. After the process is complete, the results will appear like this. Namely, the results display in the form of parameter estimation, ANOVA table display, variable selection display, plots, and assumptions. In linear regression analysis, we can estimate parameters without involving an intercept by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner of the Estimate Parameters box. A sidebar box will appear. Please check the Without Intercept section, then click Run. Then the display changes to something like this, without an intercept. If you want to involve intercept, then please remove the check again and click Run again. Next, in the estimation section with the variable selection method, we can select the selection method by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner of the Estimate Parameters with a variable selection box. A sidebar box will appear. Please select method. For example, we select the backward method and then click Run. Then, the estimate value changes to something like this. Then, in the plot section, the results displayed are residual diagnostic plots. nonlinear plots of each independent variable on the dependent variable. Furthermore, the assumption section consists of normality test, multicollinearity test, autocorrelation test, and homogeneity test. For the assumption of normality, we can choose the normality method and the type of plot by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner in the normality test of the residual box. A sidebar box will appear. Select the normality method and select the plot to use. For example, we select the Anderson-Darling method in the Select Normality Method section and the QQ-plot in the Select Plot section. After that, click Run. The normality method changed to the Anderson-Darling method, and the plot section is changed to the QQ-plot. To save the results of data processing, please click Save. Then select the document format, HTML or Word. Then click Download. Then the file will be downloaded. After that, please click Close. Meanwhile, to save the plot, please place your cursor over the graph, then right-click and select Save Image. After that, click Save. Then the plot will be downloaded. Okay, those are the steps to use the linear regression analysis menu.